your boy CJ Fitness Channel. We back up in here for another episode, y'all. And today we in Kansas City. We at the Crown Center. We in that bougie, semi-bougie area. We gotta go in the Crown Center and figure out if we can find some healthy options. If we can find some really healthy food that's not gonna kill our calories. Subscribe below. And if you want a shout out, don't forget to comment. Shout out to my boy H1.
We about to be running it back with another workout, my boy. Make sure that you follow me on Chest Knowledge with H1 on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? Okay.
Right. Chest knowledge, chest wisdom, chest understanding. The boy is smart. Let's get it. Alright, y'all. So we at Sheridan's right now. So we're gonna find out what type of food options that we can find at this custard shop. So it ain't nothing but custard everywhere. Let's see if I can find something really healthy.
I was feeling the dirt and worms, but he wants to find a healthy option.
So it's custard, so it's made with more eggs than ice cream. You can do a dairy-free smoothie and add protein powder if you don't want the custard in it. But the smoothie, it is sugar-free.
So it's a protein instead of the custard.
Yeah, so the protein powder, it's just a healthy option if you want to add it in. It'll be 89 cents.
Perfect.
It's a whey protein powder.
Whey protein? That's perfect. Oh.
And if you want strawberry banana, strawberry mango, strawberry lemonade, or raspberry.
In the meantime, I'm probably going to give me that strawberry mango. You know what I'm saying?
Custard also.
Yeah.
All right, it'd be $5.63.
I'm not a banana guy.
Boy, if you don't fall. Banana smoothie, man. We're gonna see how good it is. She says it's the healthiest option. She said the custard doesn't really have any sugar in it. So I'm kind of skeptical about that part. Oh, thank you. Hey, this looks wonderful. This looks wonderful. We're gonna see what the results are. See if we can make this at home or not. Ooh, that's smooth.
We're gonna see what mine looks like though.
Hey, because I'm surprised he did not get the dirt worm today. He was this close to ordering the dirt worms.
I was feeling it. It's the weekend. Thank you. Okay. This is the one with the mango with the strawberry. Oh snap. It's decent. It's decent. I'm not gonna be over dramatic, but it's decent.
So the next thing we're gonna do next is go to this sandwich shop right here. We're gonna see what's the healthiest sandwich we can find. This place is called, I don't even know what this place is called. Unforked, whatever that means. The vibe here is pretty cool. It's smelling really good back there. I don't know what they're making. So we're gonna see what's the healthiest option that we can find here in this restaurant that's called Unforked. So here in Kansas City, I've been kind of anxious to see what this tastes like, so we're gonna find out what she says. Well, I want to know what is the healthiest option here.
Healthiest? Like healthy?
Yeah, the healthiest option.
We have 3 salads. So we have the Impossible Burger, so that's vegetables, and then there's the Pure Burger, which you can just get nothing on it, so it'll just be like a plain burger. Crispy avocado, which is just avocado.
Okay, let's try the Impossible Burger.
It's gonna be $12.30.
Hey.
So she said the Impossible Burger. I don't know what the heck that means, but we're gonna find out
You don't
how
know
it
what that
tastes.
Impossible. It's not real meat.
Okay, I thought that was just a Burger King thing.
Yeah, it's a Burger King thing. Yeah. I mentioned on my channel, I talk about chest knowledge, chest wisdom, chest understanding, and I'm on here because I support Chris. It takes a lot to concentrate in chess, and it takes a lot to stay focused. And being healthy, exercising, and getting the right sleep is definitely important when you're playing a chess game. Top players, they be playing like 2-hour-long game, 4-hour-long games. I don't do that, but when you're playing online, like playing 3-minute games, you still have to have that same amount of focus, that same amount of determination.
Checkmate.
Like, see, you can learn the pieces if you can do push-ups and bicep curls.
Bicep curls. Stay tuned. We're gonna do an episode where I do a chess tutorial. So he's gonna teach me how to play chess. I'm gonna see if I can get it down within 24 hours. Let's see if I can figure this out. Meanwhile, we're gonna take him through the CJ Fitness workout.
Look at me, bro.
Yeah. We got the Impossible Burger bag. So this is the healthiest option, she says. It's no meat. It's plant-based. So we're gonna see what this much is all about. Let's smells good though. It smells like a real burger.
Smell it in the wrapper?
Bruh, I can smell it through the wrapper, man.
Okay, cool.
The bun is glistening, man. You know it's gonna be good. And it's so soft too.
It's not even Vaseline.
There's a nice flavor to it. I'm not sure what sauce this is, but it looked really good. It tastes really good too. Now the burger, the meat, a little bit need a little bit more seasoning. Just a little bit more seasoning. Maybe that's just me, where I came from, but we need a little bit more seasoning on this patty. This burger, probably about, I would say about 4 out of 5. 4 out of 5. It's really good. The flavor is really juicy. It's fresh. It's nutritious. I would say I'm just not a big fan of the veggie burger itself. But other than that, it was delicious.
I just want you to know, you're triggering a lot of vegans right now.
No offense to anybody who's vegan or anybody who's vegetarian. Actually, I was vegetarian for at least 6 months. 6 months. Alright, y'all, so we're gonna see what type of healthy options they got in here. I see some fruit over here. I see some water. I see some Kind bars. So we're gonna see.
Kind bars.
Yeah, Kind bars. They have
Kind bars.
We're gonna see what type of beverages they have that's low calorie and healthy for us. Let's see. Wow, this has strawberries, cantaloupe, blueberries, grapes, and pineapples. I don't know how to pronounce this. Perisy? I don't know. We're gonna ask him how you pronounce it. How do you pronounce the name of this place?
Parisi.
Parisi, that's how it is, Parisi. That sounds really fancy. Oh no. It's, and it sounds, and I should I mention classy too. So we want to know what type of healthy options that you have as far as beverages and everything else. We see the fruit. I love the fruit.
I would say most of our syrups are made with a stevia, so they're all very healthy syrups.
See, that's,
and we make all our syrups in-house as well.
Okay, perfect. What do you recommend?
I recommend if you're going to do the sugar-free vanilla, which is probably the healthiest option of our syrups, I'd go ahead and get a cold brew, maybe some almond milk, and the sugar-free vanilla.
Okay, let's get that.
We can do that 16 ounces.
Let's try out the 16 ounce. Test it out, see what's working over here. And then I got the fruit here.
It's at $8.95.
Right. Looks wonderful.
So you're not looking at the honey buns or cookies when
So y'all,
you're not looking at none of that because it looks delicious.
so you see how we didn't talk anything about the cookies and honey buns.
He needs
Look
some
delicious,
milk.
but we already know what we're working with. It's an illusion. It looks good, but it ain't good for you. Thank you so much.
Dude, I never heard of an almond croissant before. That's different.
Terrence, the cameraman, was persuaded to get some fancy water. So my boy just dropped $10 on a single bottle of water.
Oh my
One
God!
single bottle of water and a couple fruits.
I got that bougie water.
It's not even Fiji, y'all. It's,
That boss water. This is better than Fiji water.
it's boss water. Boss.
It's that glass water.
You gotta roll the S. It tastes like real coffee. He put something else in there. It may be the stevia that's throwing me off, but other than that, it's fancy. Very classy. Very classy.
It's classy, huh?
It's good.
God has sent him. Thank you, Father. You be looking out for me.
Yeah.
No, serious, man. I need to go, man. I ain't been, man. Look,
He
come
needs
on.
some
It's been a
milk.
while.
Light on. You look like you got just with no lights on. A Superman that spin like a cyclone. Fit check spin like a cyclone. Wow. Get just hit that mirror for